Hey everyone! Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to easily get Call of Duty in Infinite Craft game. So, let's get started. First think first. Take earth and put in the field, and then take wind and put in the earth. When you do that, you will get dust. Then, take earth and put in the dust. When you do that, you will get planet. Now, take fire and put in the planet that is in the field. When you do that, you will get sun. After that, further, take fire and put in the sun. When you do this, voila, you will get solar. Now, take planet and put in the solar. When you do this, voila, you will get system. Now, the next step is to take fire and put in the system. When you do this, you will get computer. Now, we will take system and put in the computer. When you do that, you will get software. Now, the next step is to take earth and put in the software. When you do this, you will get game. If you like games, then subscribe. Now, go to other side. Take earth and put in the field. Then, take fire and put in the earth. When you do that, you will get volcano. Now, take water and put in the volcano. When you do that, you will get stone. Now, take stone and put in the stone. When you do that, you will get boulder. Now, again go to other side. Take water and put in the field. Then take water and put in the water. When you do this, you will get lake. Then, take stone and put in the lake. When you do this, voila, you will get lighthouse. Now, it's time to combine these elements. Take lighthouse and put in the boulder. When you do that, voila, you have just crafted Statue of Liberty. Now, put water in the Statue of Liberty. When you do that, voila, you will get New York. Now, take fire and put in the New York. When you do this, voila, you will get 9/11. Now, the final step. Combine these elements. Take game and put in the 9/11. When you do that, you will get Call of Duty. Congratulations! You have successfully made Call of Duty in Infinite Craft game. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.